think of work as work. You know, this is just a way of life. It's what we do. I mean, my dad and I eat, sleep, and breathe motorcycles. Good afternoon, Perewitz.
People ask me how long you've been doing this. Well, the last job I had was 1970.
Yeah, we definitely like to be noticed. We like to stick out. But it's a nice bright color, and everyone will say, oh, which one's Jody Perewitz's bike? Oh, the teal one. Oh, I saw that one. I hope that when I'm to my dad's age, I still love what I do. Because he's still after doing it for 50 years. He's still here every day.
I can tell the consistency of this paint, how long it takes before the stream turns to a drip.
I can't wait to get all these together and on the bike. People say that this is magic. It can transform something into artwork. Art is something creative. It can be anything.
The closer it's getting. Yeah. Do we have a ratchet that we can get in there? A socket? A little.
I gotta get on these studs.
I think it looks so cool. Another O-ring, and then the spacer. Like that?
Yeah?
Yeah. It should be out. No.
Wow.
That sounds so good.
Can't wait till it actually runs.
I know, me too. That's what I was thinking.
Because it's gonna
Like,
have some bop.
Yeah, it will. Like even just a little bit of throttle you can give it. It's like, ha! Tucking the Nightster in for the night at Perewitz Cycle Factory.